I'm going to drop it down a level so it's easier. Okay, first of all, you'll come across a set of instructions, some really good packaging for transit, a power cord, and the press itself. To get it from Fahrenheit, which it usually comes as, to Celsius, press the arrow buttons at the same time. Press your right hand arrow to display the 1, mode button, and it's 172. You'll hear the beeping now because it's actually reached temperature. I've attached my transfer using some heat tape and I've set the control box. Now just going through the settings, 200 degrees start temperature, 200 degrees end temperature, and I'm pressing for 260 seconds. So I'm going to swing that in place, clamp it down, and we'll see how we go. All finished. Release the press. And I'm pretty happy with that. There we go. We ended up with what we wanted. So try the standalone hat press. It means that you don't have to change attachments for multi-presses, and I think you'll find it really useful.